Hello there guys, welcome back to another short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. The reason why we're here today guys is to show you how to create a text outline effect within Adobe Photoshop. A really powerful design that you can create with very simple steps. And I have a very cool example in front of you here just to show you an example of what we are talking about today. Okay, so what I have on another tab is the original image open here. And the first step that I would need to do is to make a selection around our gentleman within this image here. So what I'm going to do is use the object selection tool and make sure the layer is highlighted. And if I just hover over the gentleman there, you can see that Photoshop is recognizing this as a selection. So I'm just going to click, and very easy there, you can see it has made a selection around our friend. Okay. So with our selection now, what I'm going to do is go to select and modify. The first modify that I would like to do is do a feather. Now I'm going to keep the feather radius at 30. You can change that, but for this particular example, 30 would be the best sort of radius you need to go for. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is go to select, modify, and expand. We need to expand our selection, and I want to expand it by 50 pixels. Yet again, this is the number that I've decided upon for this design. It may change for designs that you create. And if I press OK, fantastic. So as you can see now, it's expanded 50 pixels around the edge of our gentleman. Now with the mouse, I'll go to right click, and I need to make work path here. So basically what that means is we need to create this selection into a path, which will then allow us to write on top of that path. So we're going to do that like so. Tolerance probably 2.0 is pretty good. And we're going to press OK. And as you can see now, we have a live path. And all I simply need to do now is if I get the type tool, you'll notice when I hover over the path, see it change. Okay, and when you get that change, and if you click on that path, you'll be able to write around the edge. Like so, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics, the courses, the school, the teachers, please don't hesitate to visit our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, take a look at our Instagram. There's some really cool stuff on there by our really talented students at Blue Sky Graphics UK. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.